America trade ship owners. Many ship owners contacting Candina regarding which is the best crew complement for a container ship trading Caribbean or trading Pacific from Chile all the way to Mexico and the USA. Well, there's plenty nationalities. We have a total of about 40,000 Latin officers. Yes, you heard well. 40,000 Latin officers. Is there need to employ any other nationalities from other continents aside from America? Well, if you really want not to invest in the goodwill, in the intrinsic value of the company, in the talent, if you don't want to invest in the future fleet managers, future captains, if you don't want to invest with cadets like have 40 cadets for a 20 fleet, 2 cadets per ship. If you don't want to invest in your own good company long-term, intrinsic value and the goodwill, yes, of course, you can employ other continent or pool of officers and generate for other countries the pool of officers. Regarding ratings, the same issue. Now, you can really invest in having Latino. There is about 100,000 American ratings, which we can employ from Honduras, Cuba, Venezuela. We need to study these visa requirements of USA. Of course, Cuba cannot, but Candina can work directly with Cubans. So anyway, if you are an American trading ship owner and thinking about investing long-term in the human resources, in the talent in your company, think about Candina and contact us because we have Crew Inspector, we have Adonis, many other competitors use a huge, very expensive marry-up software and so. But anyway, the times of the softwares, they're gone. The time of AI is here, and AI is to have a Candina huge database to supply your good ships with local talent long term. Thank you. Bye.